A blessed land with countless natural wonders, rich culture, and history. Canada is packed with beautiful destinations that you can explore. It has something for everyone, from Banff National Park's stunning natural beauty to Montreal's vibrant culture. Join us through this journey where we'll explore the top 5 destinations that make Canada the land of beautiful wonders. Sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the best Canada has to offer. Number 1. Banff. Coming on number 1, we have the majestic land of Banff, known for its wilderness and beautiful landscapes. Banff National Park attracts millions of visitors worldwide every year. It depicts the true essence of Canada's rugged wilderness. Tourists love to visit Moraine Lake, which is also located in Banff. The lake is known for its unique landscapes surrounded by mountains. It's fed by gigantic glaciers, making it a mesmerizing sight to explore. You can enjoy your time at Moraine Lake by hiking along the trails and admiring its beauty or capturing its beautiful scenery with your camera. Banff offers numerous hiking trails for its visitors. Outdoor enthusiasts love this place for adventures and challenges. The park features hiking trails for all skill levels. Whether a beginner or a pro, you can enjoy leisurely strolling through meadows filled with wildflowers or challenge yourself and pick one of the hardest hiking trails. Banff is an all-season place. You can experience its remarkable landscapes in summer through hiking, cycling, or boating. But the park has become a paradise for all winter activities. From skiing to snowboarding, you can find tons of fun activities to do during winter. The park transforms into a winter Disneyland when winter blankets Banff in a glistening coat of snow. Not to mention, it's home to numerous wild animals. You can find elk, deer, bighorn sheep, and even the elusive grizzly bear at the park. Aside from that, you can explore the charming town of Banff itself, where you can find fancy restaurants, luxury resorts, and cozy lodges to make your vacation a beautiful memory. You can taste delicious cuisine at the local restaurants offering traditional dishes or buy souvenirs from numerous shops located in the town. If you're tired from exploring the town all day, why not relax in one of the hot springs in Banff? These hot springs are situated amidst the Rocky Mountains, where you can soak away your cares and admire the picturesque surroundings. Number 2. Niagara Falls. The second spot on our list is the famous Niagara Falls, a natural wonder that has captivated the hearts and minds of all who visit. It's situated on the border of Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA. Niagara Falls is a breathtaking place that attracts visitors through its beauty. One of the best ways to experience the falls is through the boat tour that takes you very close to the gigantic waterfall, allowing you to experience it up close and feel the mist on your face. The fall's sheer magnitude and thundering sound create an experience you'll remember forever. If you're not in the mood to get wet on the boat tour, you can witness the sheer magnitude of the falls through the observation deck that lets you get some of the best views of Niagara Falls. If you're still not satisfied, take a helicopter tour to witness the falls from above. Aside from the fall itself, there's many other tourist attractions for visitors of all ages. You can enjoy your time while taking a stroll through Clifton Hill. There, you can find restaurants and numerous entertainment options like arcades, casinos, street performers, and many more. You can even find numerous hiking trails to admire the region's beauty or cycle through the trails, whatever you prefer. If you like to walk and experience the serene and scenic experience, visiting Niagara Parkway is a must. The picturesque pathway offers breathtaking views of the falls, manicured gardens, and charming villages. You can enjoy your time while picnicking along the riverbank or casually witness the beautiful sunset while listening to the thundering sound of the falls. Overall, Niagara Falls, with its breathtaking natural beauty, displays an extraordinary power and nature. The fall is the perfect medicine to release stress and helps you relax your mind through its beautiful scenery and loud yet calming sound. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply coming for sightseeing, Niagara Falls is the place for everyone, and it will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Number 3. Vancouver. Nestled between the stunning mountains and the sparkling waters of the Pacific Ocean, Vancouver is a British Columbian city in Canada, approximately 145 miles north of Seattle. It's a city known for its beautiful landscapes, culture, and scenery. The place is a highly active spot for outdoor activities and has plenty of cultural attractions. Every year, visitors visit this city to explore its pristine beaches, sprawling forests, and magnificent views. Stanley Park is a famous tourist attraction in Vancouver, offering countless opportunities for outdoor activities. You can rent a bike or ride along the seawall, or explore the park and admire the breathtaking views of the city skyline surrounded by mountains. You can even visit the Vancouver Aquarium, also located in Stanley Park. It's a place where you can observe many marine species, including playful dolphins, beluga whales, and cute sea otters. The key highlights of Vancouver are its bustling downtown core with modern skyscrapers and historic neighborhoods like Gastown. The place is packed with culture, and you can witness it through the museums, art galleries, and famous markets. Head to Granville Island to taste Vancouver's culinary delights and vibrant art scene. Here, you can treat yourself to delicious international cuisines and buy artisanal products from the markets. The island features numerous art galleries, theaters, and street performers, making it the perfect place to see Canadian culture. If you like a great sunset view, head to English Bay Beach to experience one of the most beautiful sunsets in the world. Relax on the sandy shores and witness the orange rays of the sun slowly getting dimmer, making it the best sunset you've ever seen. Vancouver is undoubtedly a city that perfectly combines its stunning natural beauty with urban sophistication. Its vibrant colors and stunning mountain range make it one of Canada's most beautiful travel destinations. Number 4. Jasper National Park. Jasper National Park has tons to offer, from glaciers to ice fields, lakes, and waterfalls. Established as a national park in the 1930s, this UNESCO World Heritage Site has become one of the most popular tourist spots in Canada, thanks to its scenic views and awe-inspiring glaciers topping the mountains. There are tons of activities that you and your family can partake in as well. You can visit the famous springs of Jasper National Park, surrounded by wildflowers and migratory birds. Or if you fancy some biking on the trails with beautiful scenery to look at, then Jasper National Park boasts 20 kilometers of bike-friendly trails as well. But the best part about visiting this gorgeous national park is bound to be the wildlife. You may be able to spot deer, grizzly bears, cougars, bighorn sheep, mountain goats, coyotes, and some cute beavers as you go about enjoying the various attractions and activities Jasper National Park has to offer. Number 5. Montreal. No visit to Canada is finished until you've visited Montreal. This city is the second most populous in Canada. With such a large population, Montreal is the best place to see and experience the beautiful Canadian culture and famed hospitality. You can even visit Old Montreal if you want to see the older architecture of the original Montreal city. Here you'll also find the Vieux Port, the original trade port of the city. The Montreal Botanical Gardens also await tourists who want to see exotic plants on their visit. But if you love museums, then you must pay a visit to the famous Musée des Beaux-Arts. This place is an art lover's dream come true. From this hill, you can see the Montreal city laid out in front of you like a canvas painting for you to admire. Additionally, be sure to stop by to do some shopping in the Jean Talon Market, where you can get a delicious snack while also enjoying Montreal's gorgeous architecture. And speaking of architecture, who can forget about the Notre Dame Basilica, the crown jewel of Montreal and Canada? If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to get notified of our latest uploads. If you think we missed a must-see place in Canada that's on top of your bucket list, let us know in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, goodbye and stay safe on your travels.